Hey, and today we will be talking about operators in Python. There are six in total that we'll learn about today, and three are relatively simple. So that's sum, use the additional operator, subtraction, difference, and multiplication. For multiplication, use the asterisk to signify multiplication. So let's print out these answers. This should be 9, 1, and 20. So let's run the program and let's change directory to operators. Let's run it again. There we go, 9, 1, and 20. Now, the other three are not complicated, but are worth understanding properly. So first is modulus, and this returns the remainder. So let's say I have something called mod, which will be my variable, is equal to 5, and the modulus operator is the percent sign. 5 mod 4. What's the remainder of 5 mod 4? Well, 5 divided by 4 leaves a remainder of 1. Therefore, if I print my answer, print mod, this should be equal to 1. Next is division, and division is exactly what you'd expect. So, quotient is equal to 5 divided by 4, and the slash is our division operator, and this should be 1.25. If I just print it out, so print quotient, and there we go, 1.25. Now we can see the note I have here. Division gives 16 decimal digits of precision. So let's say I have 1 divided by 3. I should have 16 decimal digits over here. Next, we have something called integer division. Let's put this back to 5 divided by 4. Remember, this has an answer of 1.25. Now let's do integer division. So integer division. And this is equal to 5 double slash 4. And I'll print integer division. Alright, my answer is 1. Because 5 divided by 4 leaves a whole number of 1 and the remainder of 1.25. And these are 6 of the most important operators in Python. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.